Welcome to Games Tech and Geekdom. I'm Ryan, and today I've got a little project here. I'm trying something for the first time. I'm going to be replacing a laptop screen. This is my Acer E575. I always get the number messed up here. The 33 Bravo Mountain. This is a 2016 laptop. I've had this for a while. It runs really nicely. I've done a lot of upgrades to it, but I did something stupid. I left it on the floor and cracked the screen right there. I'm going to get one shot at this, so if the video quality isn't great or audio quality isn't great or lighting's not great, sorry, I'm going to really get one shot at this. Realistically, I'm testing a camera and a headset camera and a microphone simultaneously, so this is a lot of experimentation on top of the fact that I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never done this before. So I have read a few things online to get an idea of what I'm doing. So over here, other microphone, get out of the way. All right, is the replacement screen. So I'll get the exact model number posted in the description here because it's one of those that has a really long model number. And I'll even find the link where I actually bought this. So here we go. From what I've seen, what I've read online, this is a relatively easy one to replace. It looked like there weren't any screws, but I do have my toolkit available. My magnetic mat, just in case. So we're going to find out how this goes. The screen's already damaged, so this should be relatively quick. Now they just grabbed this piece and pulled off. I don't have fingernails really, so I'm going to grab a tool and see if I can separate that. Let's try with this thing here, see if I can get that to pull off. There we go. Really don't want to damage the plastic because I do intend to give someone this laptop as I have replaced it for myself, but I've done so many upgrades to it. I've replaced the RAM, I put a solid state drive in, that really other than being an i3 and not having a separate graphics card, it really is a good laptop. It's a great daily driver if you're not looking to play games. So let's see here. See if I can separate this a little better. And they just had it pop right off. I've got stuff hanging on. Boy, I hope I'm not breaking anything. Okay. I mean, obviously I don't care about the screen. It's done. But the plastic. Okay. So there are a few screws in here, but that doesn't look too difficult to deal with. Now, you might wonder why I didn't disconnect the battery. I'll show you real quick. Normally I would pull a battery before doing something like this. And realistically I could, but this particular model, the battery is built in. I do suspect if I took this bottom piece off, that's something I could disconnect. Probably would be the smart move. And if you do this kind of stuff professionally, you're probably screaming at me for not doing that. But I'm not doing that. So let's take a look here. So before I just start yanking stuff out, I'm going to look around. So I've got 1, 2, that's hinge screw, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like a total of 6 screws. Where is my video attaching here? So I've got, looks like right underneath here. I'm going to have to be real careful with that. It looks like a real gentle connection. Okay, let's take a look here. So, sorry for if we don't have good lighting. This is my living room. I just kind of slapped this together. I'm still experimenting a lot with these videos, so there's stuff you're going to see that I probably wouldn't want normally, but I've been waiting to get this done for no reason other than the fact that I've been waiting to get it done. So, finally decided just jump in and get this done today. The other laptop you might see in the corner here, that is my new laptop. That's what I'm recording the audio on because this headset camera has a terrible microphone. So I'm testing that is not wanting to move. I don't want to strip that. You know what? I might be a little large here. Let's try this. So I'm testing a wireless lavalier mic. It seems to come in nicely. Oh man, that is not wanting to turn. Okay. This one came right out. Let's see here. Those are lower corners. That's the upper. I think these are all the same screw, but I do try to place them on the project mat approximately where I took them from. I'm really concerned that I stripped that screw. It's not going to come. Oh, I didn't even need to take that one out. Oh, that's just a framing screw. Okay, cool. All right, well, I guess I'm not too concerned about that one. In fact, I'll just go ahead and put it back over here because I don't even need it. Yeah, that's just a support frame. Okay. All right. Looking at this. Ooh. Okay, let's be real gentle with this. Let's see here. So I want to slide. Looks like I don't see a release clip on there. So let's see if I can. Again, if you do this kind of stuff regularly, if this is something you've done before, you might be looking at this thinking, you're being ridiculous. This is not, you don't have to be this gentle. I don't know. I've never done this. And so I'm being a little cautious because, again, it is my intention. Ooh, of course, I say that and I pop this out of its channel. I can put that back in now. You know, it's my intention to give this thing to someone. And so I don't want to make any part of this harder than I have to, although I do appear to be doing that already. Let's see if I can separate this differently. Okay, so I don't know if that's going to glue back down very nicely, but I'm going to try. I probably should have used a heat gun or something to separate this. That probably would have been a smarter move. Especially once I get to this thing. Alright, oof. I'm doing exactly what I didn't want to do and using my fingers. That's going to ruin stuff. Ooh, that just popped right out. Okay. So this really is held in place by that. That's important to know. But that's okay. I'm not too worried right now about that. Okay, so this is the new panel. Okay. Let's lay this guy down. You know what? Just for the sake of protecting stuff, I'll lay this down here too. Alright, so how do you slide in? You slide in. Okay. Probably shouldn't be touching this tape with my fingers. But again, I'm learning and I'm sure I'm going to do stuff wrong. Come on, you're not in all the way. There we go. You appear to be in. Tape that down. Hope that holds. Okay, now my next question is, oh right, I got to make sure to put this back in this channel here if I can. Okay, there we go. Nicely done, Ryan. All right, so now with my clumsy hands, because I am quite clumsy, I don't Okay. All right. I really am very, very clumsy. So apologize if you look at this and think, what an idiot. But there we go. Why are you not lining up right? Seriously? No, that can't be right. Okay. I'll fix that in a minute. Let's see. I'm sure that's not going to be a big deal. It'll probably pop in when I try. All right. Sorry for the whispering, mumbling. It's just how I talk to myself. And let's just anchor a couple of these in real fast so I have them. Disappointed I stripped that screw, but it should never be a problem. So let's find out. Oh my gosh, it actually worked. Well, that is a pleasant surprise. I say surprise because I just didn't have any belief that I wasn't going to completely wreck this. That said, I'm not done, so there's still a good chance I'm going to do something wrong. Okay, let's see if I can get that last screw to line. I got 2 screws left, but this one is not playing nice. It doesn't make sense for that not to line up. It should. I don't want to leave it out. That would just be, again, this is something I'm giving to somebody. I don't want to give them something incomplete. I'm a little disappointed here. Let's see if I can maybe post that one first. I mean, what a design flaw that would be. Okay. Wow. No freaking way. That's a total build flaw. You've got to be kidding me. Maybe, like that'll, there we go. Maybe, I mean, I can't imagine any tension happening, but that, there. Okay, it's just really, really tight. Hi, you see my reflection. Okay. Probably saw it the whole time. I just didn't notice. Okay. Again, one last check. Make sure I didn't break anything in the process before I pull this protective cover off. Okay, cool. Ooh, didn't like doing that. Oh, love that part. That's fun. Okay. And let's shut it down and finally close everything up. Okay. So, throughout my career, the only thing I've never actually replaced on a laptop. I've been in the IT industry for more than 15 years, 17, something like that. But I've never replaced a laptop screen before. And I can now say I've done that. I've replaced every other conceivable part, power supplies, everything, but never ended up getting handed one that needed a screen replacement before that wasn't under warranty. So now that I've pressed on it, hopefully I didn't do something stupid like break it. And it looks good. Okay, this is supposed to be a 1080p display, so let's just make sure that this panel came in at 1080. Fantastic. All right, well, this was definitely a success, and thanks for watching. Give me some feedback. You know, I wanna improve things. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching Games Tech and Geekdom. I'm Ryan. Have a great day.